Let's take a minute to discuss some of these SmartAmp features with a student and teacher account open simultaneously. As you can see on the left, I have my teacher account open, and on the right, I am still in a student account. So, when a teacher wants to use Follow Me, he or she simply clicks on the Share button and clicks Follow Me. Now the students that are in this workspace and currently active in this workspace are following the teacher exactly what he or she does. So as I move through the text, or as I explicitly model something for the students, it will zoom or move the same way that I am moving or zooming my screen. You'll also notice that the student account on the left received the limited toolbar. I can simply end Follow Me mode by clicking this button here. Now the student receives his or her toolbar back. I can also use the Share button to pass control to students. Remember, you can only pass control to students who are currently active in the workspace. If I want to pass control to this student, I highlight their name and I pass control. Now I receive a limited toolbar, although I can pass control to another student, or I can end that student's control whenever I need to. This student, on the other hand, is now controlling my device and showing me exactly what they wanted to show me. If I had a third screen open, I could show you that another student could be logged into this account, and this student, Brenna, would be able to take control of that student's device as well. Remember, when you pass control or use Follow Me, any student who is currently active in the workspace has their device taken over in a sense. Students should also remember and be aware of the fact that teachers can track student attributions to a workspace. As a teacher, if I click on my account, I can scroll through and see exactly how many attributions each of my students have made to this particular workspace. When I click on this active student here, I can zoom out and see that this student has added all of these things to the workspace. This is extremely helpful for monitoring students virtually and seeing how they collaborate in a digital setting. Students, on the other hand, are not able to see the attributions that their classmates have made to a workspace. Another big difference between the teacher and student workspace is the trash can or recycle bin. In this case, I can scroll through and see exactly what students have deleted on this workspace. If I want to clear all of these things in the recycle bin, I have the ability to do that as a teacher. Students, on the other hand, can see the deleted items, but they are not able to clear the trash can. Notice students and teachers both can see exactly who posted then deleted something on the workspace. The last thing I would like to share in this video is how teachers can easily bring students into their workspace. Notice on the right, this student is simply at their dashboard or their main SmartAmp page. They are not actually inside of a workspace. When the teacher goes to share a workspace with students, he or she has the option of automatically bringing that student into the workspace, and if they'd like, they can automatically turn on Follow Me so that whatever this teacher is currently looking at, the students will see as soon as they log in. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Notice the student receives this prompted message that the teacher has shared a workspace and they'd like for you to open it now. Immediately, the student is brought into the workspace and they are following me. In this video, you have navigated through a student workspace on SmartAmp. You have also seen some of the differences between a teacher and student account.